Helium. Helium against BTC. Woo! There was a squeeze here. You saw it. We broke out. Here we are. Feels to me like we're getting a continuation though, right? This is the flagpole. This is the flag, right? So in my opinion, I think this is a continuation. And I think that there is going to be more upside to come for Helium against BTC. More likely than not. We should be expecting more upside, right? Can you see it? Can you see it? Ta-da! Yeah, so feels to me like there's more upside to come for Helium against BTC. I don't think this is it. Let me just perform some magic. And if things go well, I would like to know what other potential targets. I might take a trade myself. We'll have to see how it goes. But I will be expecting things to go... Ooh, what's happening here? Oh, okay. Because this monitor, the first monitor that I'm using is actually a 2K monitor. My second monitor is not a 2K monitor. So when you switch the window over, there is a resizing going on. Hey, 1. So this is the target that we have for HNT against BTC. Here we are. We're back. We have a target at 0.001117. Right. We are expecting to breach 0.001 if HNT breaks higher. That is the target that we have. I have a strange feeling, even if you do break higher, more likely than not, there should be more upside to come for Helium against BTC. I don't think this is it. And yeah, this is if we break higher, because symmetrical triangles are bidirectional, which means that it could break up or it could break down. I'm more inclined to believe that we're going to go higher, right, at this point of time. So yeah, even if we do pop lower, we might become something else, like maybe falling channel, and then we break higher, right? I'm still expecting more upside for HNT against BTC at this point of time, because this is not a bearish reversal. If anything, we are in the midst of completing a bullish continuation. So as long as we are above the skinny pink line, which we are right now, we shall remain bias bullish for Helium against BTC. Where? 53%. Okay, that's a lot of money. 53%. That's a lot of money, boys. HNT against USDT. Here we are. Okay, it's not as clear for HNT against USDT. It is not as clear. You don't really see it, right? For HNT against USDT. So you see, this is a very good example. Not everything goes according to plan, right? This was a symmetrical that came. But what happened? We broke lower. So symmetrical triangles are usually bidirectional. So yeah, you have to be very careful. But more likely than not, we should be anticipating more upside, right? And we are kind of morphing into something else, right? You can see, yeah. So you see, like I was saying, you get a symmetrical, right? We're anticipating a break. We didn't break higher. What happened? We broke lower. And even if we do break lower, we might get something like a falling channel, right? And the falling channels are usually bullish continuation chart patterns. It's just that you're a little early. We are a little early. And so, yeah, if anything, we're still anticipating more upside to come for HNT against BTC eventually. I don't think this is it. No clear signs of bearishness yet. You can see that the MACD keeps going higher and higher, right? You can see that, yeah, this is a higher high on the MACD, which is good, which is what we want, right? This is just a marginally higher high on the price. And if you see a higher high on the MACD, this means that this is true strength, right? And if you see the MACD forming another higher high, again, this is true strength. True strength coming in. There's no bearish divergence. There's just nothing bearish about Helium at this point of time. So we are still anticipating more upside to come for Helium. It's just that, in my opinion, at this point of time, based on what I see on both chart patterns, I think the party is on HNT against BTC rather than on HNT against USDT. I feel like HNT against USDT is not that clear yet. Maybe over the course of a few hours, maybe 1 day, 2 days, we might see the near completion of a falling channel, and after that, yeah, we might take a trade for it. But by the time this video is out, we would not be able to. I mean, by the time the next video is out for HNT, which is next week, yeah, we will see how it goes, right? But I'm anticipating continuation for HNT eventually. The only thing is timing. The timing could be a little bit tricky, but the direction will more likely than not be right, as in towards the upside. More likely than not, right?